Hi class. So I had some questions about the Fahrenheit and Celsius conversions that we're doing today, and that's exactly why I assigned this, because I've been noticing on your homework that you're getting these wrong. So I think we have to go back to the original formulas. A lot of you have some different ways that you're doing it, but it's not getting you the right answer. And if you go back and check your homework, you'll see that you got those wrong on your homework. So let's talk about when we want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is the formula we want to use. And yes, it has a fraction, but it's not as tough as you think. When we want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, this is the formula we're going to use. Both of these are in your book, and they've been on a couple assignments, so make sure you're reviewing this stuff. It's on the test tomorrow, or on Wednesday, the test on Wednesday. So I got a question about number 3, and you'll notice it has negative numbers, which we did a little bit last week on Khan Academy. So we have to kind of observe our rules, not only for converting, but also for negative numbers. So we have -6 degrees Fahrenheit, and we want to know what it is Celsius. Well, we're going to use this formula. So we're going to use this formula. So this is number 3. I put it in the wrong spot. Number 3. So C is equal to 5/9 -6 minus 32. Now in Khan Academy, we learned, like when we have a number line, you start at -32 and then you keep going to the left. Negative will always mean to the left. So we have -38 inside here. So if you had a number line and you were at number 32, -32, and you have -6, that means you have to move over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And each one of these numbers, -33, -34, -35, did I put 36? No, 38. -36, -37, and -38. So when you move all 6, that's where you end up. -6 minus 32. Okay, then we multiply that by 5/9. Looks tricky, but all it means is this: 5/9 times -38 over 1. We'll treat this just like any other multiplication. So let's do -38 times 5, and that's going to give us straight across. So 5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4 more is 19. Add the negative sign. When signs are different, it's a negative. Across the bottom, we have -190 over, across the bottom, 9 times 1 is 90. So this is our final fraction, but let's put it into something that's a little more understandable. So we're going to divide 190 divided by 9. And we're going to round it, so we need to add a couple of decimals. 9 into 19 goes twice. We have 1 left over, drop the 0, 1. 1 times 9 is 9, 1, drop the 0. We see we're going to get a repeating decimal here, 1 repeating. So our answer is negative, because this was a negative number, -21.1 repeating.